pressure drugs that the journal articles say, heart disease, cancer, diabetes. How many people do you know with heart disease, cancer, diabetes? Is this a society? Yes, it is. We change that now. Fibromyalgia, 9 prescriptions for 6 years. Now there's no blood test, there's no x-ray analysis, there's no test for this. Okay, now this is physical, chemical, emotional stress. How would you like to be hurting for 6 years? You go up to doctor after doctor and they say, there's nothing wrong with you. You're a hypochondriac. Okay, we can't find anything wrong with you. You must not be hurting. Okay? I know, it's a nightmare. So then you're given antidepressants because you're crazy. Okay? Now, here she had muscle spasms. So what do you get? You get a muscle relaxant. Now that's a central nervous system toxin. If you got a muscle relaxant, now do you think you might be in pain? So you get a pain reliever. Now you get a muscle relaxant and a pain reliever. Do you think that might upset your stomach? Yeah, so you get an antacid. Now the problem with antacids, this is Pravacin, Tagamet, Rolaids, Tums, those cause muscle aches and joint pain. But you're already taking 2 drugs for that. No one's going after the solution. 9 different prescriptions, the Ambien, it's Celebrex. No one, Celebrex, Prozac, the side effect of Prozac, muscle aches and joint pain. When you look at this, it's a nightmare that never needs to happen. What the physicians of the future, I'm not talking today, some physicians are brilliant. You approach this body with respect and awe. This body is divinely inspired. It's brilliant. It's self-regulating and self-healing. You don't try and drug it. Within a month, she was drug-free. Within 90 days, she's cured of fibromyalgia. 100% of the time. Not 50%. 100% of the fibromyalgia patients recover. And it's so frustrating. Physical, chemical, and emotional stress. For chemical stress, you don't eat food products. If it comes in a package, don't get it. Medications. Find the source of why they're prescribing a medication, eliminate the reason, and get off of them. Most drugs can get off of. If you've had your thyroid removed, you may need to take thyroid medication. If you've had your pancreas destroyed, you may need to take some insulin. But by gosh, there's not many drugs out there that are necessary. Dehydration, 50% of your body weight in water a day. In ounces. So a 200-pound person needs 100 ounces of water a day at least. Toxicities, eliminate them. I mean, there's a ton of appropriate food choices that'll detox your system. And stop poisoning yourself. I mean, that's the biggest thing. Don't put poison in your system. I mean, I'm probably going to be working with McDonald's. I'm going to be trying to find it only because my car burns vegetable oil. And I'm going to try and find a McDonald's where I can burn this stuff in my car, but good God, you don't want to eat it. I want my car to smell like McDonald's French fries. But the problem with this is, it's not good for your body. Since your body is always reproducing itself, if you put toxic products in it, it's not going to be good. You're going to produce a bad body. If you understand that the body has a perfect design, you've heard of headaches. 93% of headaches come from the neck. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a double crush injury beginning in the neck. C3, C4, C5 is in the base of the neck, so we know that asthma, breathing problems, lung problems, all of that come from the neck. So I've got an idea. When I tell my 9-year-old patients, buddy, you've got a problem in the neck. I can give you a drug where you can keep doing the asthma drugs, or I can fix the neck. What do you like to do? Guess what 100% of the 9-year-olds say? Fix the neck. I know. They're so smart. So you understand, if you've lost the curve, that's an MRI. That's direct pressure on the spinal cord. This is right at C5. This 20 years of migraines. 20 years of migraines. Do you know pediatricians don't take an x-ray of a kid to find pressure on the neck? They just say, oh, he'll probably grow out of the asthma, instead of just fixing it. This gal here, Mary, 20 years of migraines. Within 2 weeks, the headaches were gone. Within 90 days, and you're seeing reversal of arthritis. Approach your own health with respect and awe. Sean and Ryan, again, this one here looks like a circle. See, the top bone of the neck is a round circle. For you to see a hole in it like that, I have to bend my hand so far that you're looking in a circle in here. This kid had chronic asthma, chronic ear infections. But no pediatrician is taught to look at a pediatric patient, a 6-year-old, and look for chronic pain. It's not their training. Comes to me within 2 weeks, he was off the asthma drugs. Of course, no more ear infections. This was about a year ago. If you're sitting, these ball chairs are the best kind of chairs in the world because you have no genetic defense for sitting. You don't. You have to get moving every hour. This means you move it, you get lymph flow, drink water, eliminate toxins, food, and prayer and meditation. Prayer and meditation, that's it. That's vital. Without prayer and meditation, your body can't regenerate.